You are going to love the 2023 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass, thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.